Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter activities in Pipedrive in just a few minutes. This helps you focus only on the calls, meetings, and follow-ups that matter most, so you can stay organized and productive. Start by going to the Activities section on the left sidebar. This is where all your tasks live, including calls, emails, meetings, and other activities. When you open it, you'll see a list with details like type, due date, owner, and status. Next, look at the top right of the Activities table where the filter options are located. This area controls what appears in your list and helps you reduce clutter. Click on the Filter drop-down. From here, you can either choose an existing filter or create a new one. If you want something quick, select a pre-defined filter like overdue activities, today's tasks, or items assigned to you. This will instantly update the list to show only what you need. If you need more control, choose to create a new filter. You can set conditions like activity type, owner, due date, status, and even custom fields. For example, you can filter to see only calls due this week, or meetings scheduled for a specific time period. Once you apply a filter, your activities list updates immediately. If you want to go back to seeing everything, simply switch the filter back to a general option like All Activities. Using filters regularly helps you stay focused, organized, and in control of your daily tasks. And that's it. You now know how to filter activities in Pipedrive quickly and easily. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials.